Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a wave effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, import your video clip. Now go to Effect panel and search for Wave Wrap. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Now go to Effect Control panel and you will see Survival option under Wave App. Change the wave type to scene or square depending on the style you want. Adjust the wave height to control how strong the wave look. Tweak the wave width to make the wave closer or further apart. Finally, increase or decrease the wave speed to control how fast the wave move. You can also change the direction if you want the wave to move vertically or horizontally. Once you find the perfect setting, play back your clip and you have got a smooth, dynamic wave effect ready to go. And that's how you make a wave effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.